I wanted to become a nurse because when I was younger, I loved learning about the human body and just learning how to take care of people.
It's something that fulfills me. Doing even the smallest things for my patient really can change their day.
In high school, I was a medical assistant my 11th and 12th grade year, so it's jump-started me into the medical field, and I decided to further that. Kent State has helped a lot in that process.
They give us so much knowledge when it comes to the nursing field, but most importantly, they teach you the art of nursing. They teach you how to communicate with your patients, how to take care of sad patients, how to take care of confused patients, how to take care of the person as a whole. And that is so different than some other schools.
I actually did go to school somewhere else for nursing. They didn't really give me the opportunity that Kent does. I didn't have that faculty that kind of guided me like I do here.
Kent State is a big campus, but in the College of Nursing, everything is tight-knit. Everyone is so friendly and helpful, and they are supportive.
Even when it's hard in class, the school itself has the people and the support that you need to be the best nurse that you can be.
The professors are very helpful. They give you one-on-one time. If you need help with a certain thing that you're struggling with, they'll talk you through it. They'll give you different ways to learn things.
I've had professors come up to me and my classmates one-on-one ask us if there's anything else they can explain differently. They're more than happy to help you. They get to know you on a more personal level.
The facility is beautiful, the nursing facility. There's smaller labs where you do scenarios and you practice out doing assessments, you practice IVs.
My skills lab experience was amazing. I learned the basic nursing skills such as putting in IVs, learning how to work an IV pump.
Learning in the lab, that's things that we will see in the clinical experience.
Simulation is a place where you can make those mistakes. The professor is right there speaking to you through the mannequin, making sure you're getting all your steps.
It's just a really good environment for learning. We partner with the theater students. I had a patient that was schizophrenic, and it was a theater student who was able to act out as a schizophrenic patient, and we were able to learn how to communicate with them. How do we talk to a patient that's, in pain, unconsolable? And we learned it there so that when I came here and I had my own patient that was unconsolable, I was able to reflect to those therapeutic communication skills and apply it to my patient.
Being in Kent, we're surrounded by world-renowned healthcare facilities that we get to go and do clinicals at, and we get to see how they operate and function.
We go to Cleveland Clinic, we go to Summa Health, or we're going to UH and practicing on patients, working with the nurse one-to-one along with having an instructor.
In the clinical setting, very focused on giving students more one-on-one time. Going to all these different sites gives us a better opportunity and a broader spectrum of how each hospital works.
In each and every place, you get to see a different side of nursing, whether it's you're on the adult floor or if you're at Akron Children's Peds. And that just allowed me to see, okay, do I like a small hospital? Do I like a big hospital? Do I want to work at a school? Because I've had an opportunity to go work with a school nurse. Kent State just has so many different types of hospital you get to experience.
Kent State is helping me to prepare for my career after graduation by pushing me to the next level. I'm making connections by interacting with nurses and doctors in these hospitals.
It pushes me to try and succeed and push myself to try and get better. And it made me love nursing more.
Kent State, their name kind of does something for people. When people hear that you're a Kent State grad, they're like, oh yeah, I have a lot of nurses like that, and they're good nurses, so they want to hire you because you're from Kent State in their nursing program.